2006 Chrysler Sebring 2.7. If your fuse number 8 keeps blowing up, most likely it's your starter. It has a short on it. The first thing you're gonna have to do to change it, you're gonna have to remove your air box. Second thing, you're gonna remove your motor mounts, 3 bolts from under the vehicle. 3 bolts, this bolt right here, then 3 bolts on the bracket. One right here, another one right here, and the other one is right here. They're all on the engine. They're accessible. Once you remove all the bolts, now you got 2 pieces. It will be a lot easier to take this one out of the way once you got this loose without the bolts. Right? Once you got all the bolts out, then you are able to remove your support. Then remove the 2 bolts that hold the shield. This 2 bolts, this right here, and this one right here. Once you remove that, you will be able to get this bracket from. Alright, here is the starter. We're gonna remove 1 bolt over here, right here. I'm gonna do it without removing the wiring. I already disconnect the battery, so we're gonna do that first. Disconnect here. There's another bolt on the top. It's a little bit hard to get to it, but you're gonna have to fight it out a little bit. But remember, disconnect your battery. For disconnecting your battery, you're gonna have to remove your front left tire over there, and disconnect. Take out the splash shield to disconnect the battery. Alright, as I said, I mentioned that there were 2 bolts, but actually after we have removed the one over here from this side, that one right there, that's one of them, which you take out before you even get to it. So the second one will be the one I pointed out before, which is right here on this side of the engine. And then you're gonna have to fight it out to get it to this side in order to bring it all the way up. And once you get it there, you can remove your electrical components connectors. Right, after you have removed your starter, then you're just gonna have to work your way back from the way you start taking things out. So you're gonna start with your starter, installing your starter back in, 1 bolt. Then your second bolt will be from this side over here, and that will be all. Hope you guys find this very easy, which is easy. It seems to be very hard because it's under the exhaust manifold, but it's easy. Believe me, it's easy once you remove those 2 things, which is your motor mount and your bracket.